Yo, what is going on? So this is how to get OpenAI API key. So the latest and recommended way to get OpenAI API key is through projects. So the way to do that is to create first a project by going to the project page and then click new project from the vertical menu on the left. Add your project name, whatever, and then create the project. On the next page, you'll see your project name and project ID, which will be useful later. Verify your project. Make sure you are in the right project by checking the project name on the navigation bar at the top of the screen. Set model usage limits. Go to the limits page of the vertical menu on the left. In the model usage section, allow the usage of the desired model, DALL-E 3 or other models you plan to use. It's a good practice to only select the models you think you will use and then add more as needed. Create a new API key. Go to the API key page and then click create a new secret key button. Add the name of your API key so you can remember it. You can also create multiple API keys for different purposes. Make sure to save your API key as you want to be able to view it through your OpenAI account. If you lose your API key, you'll need to generate a new one, so make sure you save it. Make sure to use authorized secure methods and not like visiting some unofficial generators for API. Just use the official OpenAI platform to do that. Yeah, so that's all.